Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that your Wi-Fi on your OPPO Reno 14 is not working. So, we do have a lot of options here. At first, I do recommend to scroll to your control panel from the top right corner to the bottom. And here, as you can see, we do have this Wi-Fi. Toggle it off by tapping on it, and here toggle off this option, and then enable it back on, and that should work for you. But if it doesn't, go to the settings over here and now go straight to the Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is a Wi-Fi network. Tap on this info icon and tap this pin icon called forget. Tap remove, and now your Wi-Fi network is removed. We have to add it back again. So find your Wi-Fi network in here, and here enter your password. And now OK. Now we are connected and your Wi-Fi should now work. But if it didn't work for you, you have to restart your router and your phone. So now to restart your phone, you have to not this button, you have to hold the volume down button or up and the power button here to enter this, as you can see, mode, power menu, and hold your finger to the top to restart your phone. Now your phone will be restarted. Let's see when the phone restarts. Now, as you can see, our phone is rebooted. What we have to do now is to go straight to the system settings over here. Now we have to scroll down until we see system update and tap software update. Here, if you have any updates available for your phone, update your phone immediately. That's because of the quick fixes from the OPPO Color OS. We can have some quick bug fixes, and as far as I know, the Wi-Fi issue is very common on the OPPOs. So yes, the software firmware update should fix that issue. And apart from that, we can go back to this system update menu. Over here, we have to stay here and tap backup and reset. Tap reset phone and tap reset network and Bluetooth settings. This should reset, as you can see, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network. Tap reset, and now everything will be resetted, and now all your settings are erased, and you have to add your Wi-Fi network again, your Bluetooth devices again, and yes. And now your issue should be fixed, but if it isn't, you have to check if your Wi-Fi network is available at all. But if it isn't, yes, this is the answer. But if it is, the hardware is the issue, so contact the authorized service. And that's it for this video. Goodbye!